Hello everybody, today we're gonna make beef stroganoff. Let's start. First step, we need to fry the beef. We fry in the high heat for 5 minutes and we take it out. In the same pan where we fry the beef, we add 1 tablespoon of butter. We add 1 piece of onion with mushroom. We fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we add 3 pieces of garlic. We mix it for 20 seconds. After we add 1 tablespoon of flour, we mix it very well. And now we add 1 cup of beef stock. We mix it well for 1 minute in the medium heat. After 1 minute, we add 1 tablespoon of mustard. We mix it well. And we add 1 cup of crema. We mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 1 minute. In this step, we take back the beef and we mix it well. After we add 1 tablespoon of sour crema, we mix it well for 20 seconds. In the end, we add some salt with the black pepper. We mix it and we take it to serve. We will serve it with pasta. We can serve it with rice or with mashed potato. Hope everybody liked our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.